want to make a yellow rocket ship?
I use this color and this color.
For the rocket ship?
So my name is Eddie Shaffer, and the director here in Imperial of the Rainforest Art Center. So it's part of the garden arts program where we're making stepping stones and garden sculptures with glass and ceramic tiles. And that could either go into the park that we're making right here in the city, off the parking lot, or they can take it home with them.
Okay, now that's like
In your park?
We've known about the program when they did it a few years ago when they set up the mural at the park. He was just too young to participate at that point. So now that they started the program up again, he's the perfect age to come. We are working on a stepping stone, a rocket ship, and a mural. The chance for him to do something artistic because they don't do very much art in school, and so I wanted him to do something, kind of related to art, use his imagination, kind of be away from the TV.